Hello everyone, here I have a Longines in pin style, in a silver case, simple silver case, very clean one, very good shape. The bow is almost unworn, or looks unworn. The dial is enamel with Roman numerals. Very nice pocket watch in a very nice shape. Let's show you the movement. Here is the inner case, has silver markings. The dust cover, it has no inscription. The serial number is the same that one can find on the movement. It's underneath the movement. This is the caliber 9071N. I think you can see it. 9071N, a very nice caliber made by Longines. And this feature a very nice regulator, snail regulator. It's definitely a high-grade movement. Have no good position to film here, but this is it. It's very nice jewels. Very well finished movement. And it works very nice, like in its first day of existence. Superb movement, in very good shape. Longines. Hope you like it, guys. It's indeed a very interesting movement. This movement was delivered outside the ocean in USA and was sold as private labels. It was imported here in Romania by the Railroad Society. A very beautiful movement. and very precise. It's a chronometer grade. So this is the watch. You can see the dial, very beautiful shape, no marks or little hairlines, nothing. It's in mint condition, very well preserved Longines pocket watch. Very nice blued hands, Arabic numerals, subsidiary dial, and the ticking, very nice. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. I would appreciate that. Thank you. God bless you all.